Okay. Go get it. Go get it. You have a lot of cars there, boy. Mikael, look at this. Look at this. Here, look, look, look. Look at Papa. Look at Papa. No, what the heck? Okay, sorry, baby. You have a lot of guns and cars, oh. Yeah. Go. You want us to fill up the pool in summer? The swimming pool? No? You don't want to swim anymore? Yeah, it's too cold right now. It's summer. Mm-hmm. You happy? Okay.